So you did all the calculation of your ascendant chart, of your D9 chart, your D10 chart, your Amatya Karak, and you got to know that the house which will give answer to your profession is the fifth house. Now comes the question that what all options or career choices we are looking at. So guys, the very first thing with the fifth house is that anything connected with the consultation, giving advice to people, you can do that. Anything connected with the domain of the education, like becoming a teacher, becoming a lecturer, you can do that. Anything connected with the children, you can do that. This is a very important house of the art, entertainment and creativity. Along with that guys, I have also seen that because when we talk about people who end up becoming a pioneer first in their field, doing something which is very original, which is very innovative and creative, that also comes out of the fifth house as well. Something to do with the spirituality, something to do with the mantra sadhana, you can be very good in that. People who work in the stock market, people who work in the speculation generally seem to be getting benefited because of this house. When we talk about anything to do with the government, like working for the government projects and all, that could also happen because in the original Kalpurush Kundli, this house is connected with the Leo. So that means something connected with the government, you can do that. And lastly guys, see, because this house has got lot of the magnetism, the charm is a lot over here. So that means becoming an entrepreneur, becoming a influencer, becoming a model, that could also be an option for you. So guys, in a nutshell, the beauty of the fifth house is that if your profession is connected with this house, you will transform in your career a lot. You will have the whole power, monopoly and authority in your work, and the recognition aspect also tend to remain very strong if your profession is connected with the fifth house.